Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short, little unboxing video to share with you guys. Something new from WE, finally! I'm so excited. I always get excited with WE knives because WE knives has the potential. They haven't, not every knife, in fact, it's somewhat rare. Not every knife is an absolute banger, but every now and then they release something that is absolutely legendary. So I've always got my fingers crossed, So there's a little piece of paper. I have not looked at this yet. I don't know what this looks like. It's just really funny. The name of it is funny. I'm going to link it down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Thanks to WE for sending it in. I will look at the price tag. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. I will look at the price tag here in just a moment because it's on this piece of paper. Why is this funny? It's called the Orc Boss. The Orc Boss. What demographic are we targeting here? You mean like the orc? Like, it makes me think of like the orc camps from Skyrim, and there's always like a chieftain, right? Or maybe World of Warcraft. I don't know. Or maybe Lord of the Rings. I don't know. What does that imply about the aesthetic? Will it look like an orc or an orcish weapon? Champagne titanium. Titanium handle, twill, carbon fiber inlay stone. Okay. Let's open it up. This is huge. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. Get out of here. Oh, this is a thunderous fellow. Oh, this is a large... Okay, this looks like something an orc would carry. Goodness gracious. Oh my god. This is huge. Wow. I do like champagne titanium. That's fancy. Oh, yes. Woo, I love that bronze with the carbon fiber. That is cool. I have a feeling the blade shape's just going to be insane. Titanium backspacer, titanium pocket clip. This is a huge knife. Here we go. God! What the heck? Whoa. Slow down here. Hold on now. Whoa, nested liner. No way. Hey, hold on. We got a lot of stuff to talk about here. Goodness. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Number one, absolutely wild blade shape. Recurve hawksbill thing. We have the flat. We have the swedge. You have the initial bevel. Then you have another, I've never seen this before, bevel. It's literally hollowed out. It's actually like hollow. Then you have another bevel right here, which is flat, down to the cutting edge. Bizarre. Hold on, I gotta slice a piece of paper with that. Pretty thick behind the edge. Really weird how they ground this. I mean, it does slice though, pretty easily. Oh my gosh, yeah. I mean, they know how to do an edge. It's just such a weird grind. I mean, that's what they're going. They were like, screw it, let's do something totally different. Really nervous about putting my finger up here in the sharpening tool. Look at it. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck is this? What is this? Oh, God. I can't wait to hear what Jared has to say about this. Jared! Look what they did! Look what they did here! Oh, God. What the heck? I mean... That's just weird, man. The initial part, it's intentional. It's like they want you to stay away from this completely. They want you to just stop sharpening right here. But what happens when you bring that material back? Oh, God. Okay. Well, that's weird. I just can't. I feel like that's the type of thing that would give Jared a stroke. I'm not making fun of him either. I just know because, as somebody like Jared who's going to, sharpen a thing into oblivion and use it, It's gotta drive him nuts. Nice finish on the blade. It's coming back to my lane, because that's not my lane. Coming back to my lane, I do like this design. I think the blade is wild and crazy and loud. I don't think people are going to forget this one anytime soon. The champagne or very light bronze titanium, contrasting with the actually bronze hardware, logo anodizing, the screws, right? And then the carbon fiber, like that looks really, really good. Ergonomically, I don't know. It's okay. It's a lot of material, right? So it kind of gives you that default, like, yeah, it's comfortable because it's a big thing filling my hand. Don't get dirty with that, all right? I can't. It's hard for me to stay away from that. The innuendos, when we're talking about a knife, I mean, like, look at the shape of this handle. We're just going to all come to that conclusion together, okay? Yeah, it's comfortable to deploy. It's actually really satisfying to deploy. There's a lot of lock bar tension. A lot of lock bar tension. And it's kind of abrupt there, so it's a little pinchy. You can see it's kind of it's like denting my finger in. This is probably not a titanium liner. Hold on. It's probably a steel liner. Yeah. No lock bar insert. And are we... Yeah, the magnet does like that, so that's steel. Wish you guys would do some titanium liners. I bet this thing has an insano price tag on it. Who designed this? 20 CV. Big old crazy old thing. Okay, let's look here. Orc Boss. Let's find the designer. Grant Chambers is the designer. Oh my God, the price. I don't even want to show you guys this. WE knives. You guys are getting, this is getting crazy. Okay? This is becoming ridiculous. This is a big knife. It's a nice knife. The blade okay. Let me point out here where there's gonna be increased costs versus standard competition. Right? This is a Chinese-made product. WE Knives is absolutely one of the best, one of the top-tier Chinese OEMs. Right? There's a huge difference between that ball of ostrich crap that you see at the gas station made in China and what WE does. There's a huge difference. There's also a massive difference in terms of material and effort, right? Costs are higher. It doesn't matter. It's like, just because it's made in China doesn't mean they can take materials like this and make this shape and then be like, that'll be, $27. No. Anybody who thinks like that just has no idea what they're talking about. Right? Obviously, a lot of people who watch this channel, you guys understand this isn't going to be cheap. Even making this in China, it's still going to cost quite a bit of money. The blade, not a typical blade. It's going to cost more to produce this. Definitely, right? And produce it consistently. Titanium, obviously, going to be more expensive than, materials like plastic or G10, micarta, even aluminum. We have a steel liner, fine, whatever. We also have carbon fiber. We got some interesting inlay work, and it is contoured. Interesting pocket clip. Actually, it's totally fine. It's kind of cool, honestly. Big backspacer, and it is huge. And while the size, it is not, the size of the knife will not dictate the price in its entirety. When you're working with premium materials, if you make something that is really huge, then you do have to factor in a little bit of additional material cost. That being said, ignore MSRP. Nobody's ever going to pay MSRP. MAP, this is what it's going to end up. That's going to be the retail price. Now, sometimes they change this. If this ends up on Blade HQ for $467, you've lost your mind. This is maximum $100 less. Well, I mean, do I think that this belongs north of 300? Yeah, absolutely. North of 400? No. Mid threes is where this realistically should be. You definitely have you have very capable competition producing knives in the mid 300s. Kunwu, for example, I know people go, but they make your knife, so you buy. Yeah, but okay, I look at their stuff though. I look at their stuff. It's incredible. Incredible. Their most expensive knife, their most expensive folder that's not an integral, right? I think their most expensive knife is my integral, right? But that's an integral. Let's look at their most expensive sandwich construction folding knife, because that's what this is. It's not an integral. Integral is going to cost more by nature because it costs more to machine. S-Tau 2, that thing is freaking DLC Vanax contoured, DLC coated titanium. It's even got some Damascus in it. That sucker, I believe, is priced about $100 less than this. Maybe more. Maybe a little less. I'm not sure. It's somewhere in that. But yeah, and that's not even their average folder. This is just 20 CV titanium and carbon fiber. But again, to be fair, pretty crazy blade shape. Crazy. That price is insane. That price is insane. I expected to see that this was going to be $399 and I was going to complain about it. $467.50. Where are you getting this? And 50 cents. It's so specific. Oh man. No, I know people are gonna be like, tariffs. Come on. I got plenty of companies sending me knives that are manufactured in China that are still well within reasonable, in terms of pricing. And it's not like they just magically don't apply. The tariff situation there. So I don't know what's going on here. That's an insane price tag. It wasn't that long ago that WE Knives released the Integral Ator, designed by Dalibor Bergam for, do you remember? About $375. I own it. Big knife doesn't justify the price tag. Pretty crazy blade shape doesn't completely justify the price tag. Contoured, all that, real nice. Is WE. They did a good job. The action's nice, right? Ooh, a little scary there. Crazy. Okay, I'll review it. It's linked in the description. You guys want to buy it? Great. I get a commission if you buy it. That price tag is wowzers. Yikes. Yucky. Ew. No. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex if you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you'd like to check out my other content. I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.